guys, welcome to another game which is Brookhaven. Actually, I like this game, so I will play it so much. And today I am with my friend David, who is cameraman in this game, and we will now see updates. The cool updates of Brookhaven. Let's go. So the first update is this car. I don't know this car. Guys, you will you know, so but I don't know how means what this car wallpack you added for purpose. Nice car it is, and nice game. I appreciate this game so much. So let's test the car with 55 speed limit, and I am with my friend David today. And thank you Wallpack or your user means director of Brookhaven. You give us a nice game, nicest game. I like Brookhaven, I like Livetopia and all roleplay cities games. I like Liberty Country, but I didn't play I can't play it in my device. So the second update, which is the biggest update in Brookhaven. Okay, we will test it. The second update is this update. Wow, school bus. And one fact you don't know, means few people only know, is first I on the lights and then press the stop button and see what happens. Wow, this is so huge update in Brookhaven, I think. So let's go to our other update, which is this you can see a taxi. This is a taxi, but you can on off lights when when your customers are not, you can just off the lights. When you have any customers, you can on the lights like this. Now this was the cars update. Let's go, and let's go now to yes houses update. Watch me. So guys, the house update. I will test the house. First house, we will start from first house of newest house, which is recently added. Oh, this underground house. Guys, this is recently added, and the secret you will know inside this house. Come on, let's go. So the fact is, let's go to fun fact, and the fun fact is here. You can on off lights of air and blue button. Press the blue button and see. It will be automatic. Giving sprinkle water. Let's come out and go other side of the house. So this is the rooms of house. Wow, it is looking nice, but it is like criminal house. Here you can I don't know about this, that here is the safe. Here was the safe of this house. So here you can change clothes, and here is our bathroom. Nice bathroom. Nice house it is. Here is kids bed, like 1 to 3 bed in one room. And here is your sofa. You can enjoy TV. You can see my last video. We was enjoying here and listening the news. Here you can cook. Here you can wash hands. And now let's go here. I will tell you this house secret soon. Here you can bath. Here you have bathroom. Nice bathroom. Let's go. Okay, this was our house, and I will do you here on ground. There is your own computer. If anyone supply, he can leave here. There is his box. Here is same thing, just on like this. Press the blue button and it start to generate. So This was, and I don't know this lines, guys. Let's follow these lines, and here are supplies only, but this line, I think this is pipeline. Okay, okay. So guys, it's the time to, let's roommate David. No, not need. It's only for video. So this is the secret. Go near, go beside the TV and see. You can see a yellow button. I will show you. Hey David, move out. You can see a yellow button. Let's press it. So here the underground has been come. Now open. I can't see, so I want to open my torch. Yes, it is here. See, this is best house for criminals. There are so many monies, explosives, weapons hidden here. Police can raid here, cops can raid here, and there is so many explosives and dangerous explosives. If you want to go up, just press this green button guys, at your left side. Oh, I will try to press it. Just press it. Okay, it is open now, and let's get out. So this was this house of, let's get out of here, and that was this house we toured. Let's then now I will skip video because it take timer. You can see directly the next house. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it will take lot of time, so I will told to David to spawn. There you have pool. You not need to be any premium anymore. You can enjoy here, chill here, and I like that in this house. See, this is, you can chill here. I like this features too. So there is your own tree you owned. There is your eating place. There is arcade where when you are bored you can play. There is your small toilet. There is your machines. Oh, okay. There is your tub, and there are more machines of playing. So let's get up. I don't like these features, guys. The rooms are attached, and I don't like these beds. Means it is not for big. It is kids' house. You see, they don't have any walls or rooms. See, this is not so pretty house. So there is a toilet, but I like one thing of this house. You know what? I will take you there. Where is it? Yes, it is a basement. And there is secret room in the basement. David will take you. David, there's secret room. David will open this. Okay. So guys, I think I am inside. I can't see. David is laughing. And where to go, guys? This is the secret room. Oh, there's ways inside. Hey David, come here. Here. Yes, I know. Okay. This is secret underground base, I think. Here you can read books. Here you can chat with your friends. So this was the secret room. Let's get out of here. Now we will, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get out of here, and let's see the backyard, how it looks. Hey David, where is the backyard of this house? I think there's no backyard in this house. There is no backyard in underground house too. Yes guys, there's no backyard in this house. Guys, a one secret. Wait a minute. I will buy here that house. Why they would sell it? So the task timer is not ended. So I will tell you there's one secret in the house. So where is this type of house? Oh, there is this type of house which they will spawn. So see this. Yeah, this is symbol A. I can't read, and you can find it at this house only. AAF, I think so. That's so scary. So that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and bye.